Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you part number generation tool, the second version. As you know the first version or use this, please remove and upgrade this version. This version I add the suffix section, at the same time I change the interface and it looks like very nice if you compare the first version and you click the Turkish and English language. And if you don't know or if you don't any idea part number generation tool, if I explain basically, if you click a new part and you will see in here part 1, part 2, part 3, it change automatically by the SolidWorks, and I want to control this. For example, I change it, I add the prefix and suffix. My code, not part 1, prefix, and the count is 1, and the digit if it means the counter digit. So my code, if you click prefix 01 and suffix, and it works assembly section the same. If I change or if I click a new assembly, you will see just only 01 because I didn't add any suffix or prefix, and you will see and you will control easily. If you click the refresh and you will see the next counter. For example, if I click a new part and you will see the 0 and 2 and you will see the next part counter, you will see easily. If you change the counter or part prefix or suffix, you can control all of them. If you don't want to change button and if you click the change, you can click the cancel and don't change anything, and you will see my name and my website and the program name. I add the social media toolbar, and if you wanna click this Facebook, and you will see my Facebook Surfers macro group, or LinkedIn my Surfers macro group, or if you click my website, you will see my website, the English language, and you will see the product. If you check it, maybe you will see other solution. Some solution is free, some solution is not free, and you will see my YouTube channel. If you follow us in here, I share a lot of them this project, my YouTube channel. I can sorry, and then in a month or in 2 months I will share a lot of software add-in or stand-alone application as a free if you follow me, and you can reach easily. And I will share this software part number generation tool download link on my YouTube channel, and you will see the description. Thank you for watching.